Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you 5 amazing chest exercises that will give you a stronger upper body and massive gains. Before we start, please like, share, and subscribe to this video. Now let's begin. Number 1. Barbell bench press. The barbell bench press is a classic exercise that targets your entire chest. To perform this exercise, lie down on a bench with your feet firmly planted on the ground. Grab the barbell with a grip that is slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Slowly lower the barbell towards your chest and then push it back up to the starting position. Repeat this movement for 3 sets of 8, 10 reps. Number 2. Incline dumbbell press. The incline dumbbell press targets the upper portion of your chest. To perform this exercise, sit down on an incline bench with a dumbbell in each hand. Raise the dumbbells above your head and then slowly lower them towards your chest. Push the dumbbells back up to the starting position and repeat for 3 sets of 8, 10 reps. Number 3. Decline push-ups. Decline push-ups are a great body weight exercise that targets your lower chest. To perform this exercise, get into a push-up position with your feet elevated on a bench or step. Slowly lower your body towards the ground and then push yourself back up to the starting position. Repeat this movement for 3 sets of 10, 12 reps. Number 4. Cable crossover. The cable crossover is a great isolation exercise that targets your inner chest. To perform this exercise, stand in the middle of a cable machine with the cables at shoulder height. Grab the handles and then bring them together in front of your chest, squeezing your chest muscles as you do so. Slowly release and repeat for 3 sets of 12, 15 reps. Number 5. Pullover dumbbell chest exercise. The pullover dumbbell chest exercise is a great compound exercise that targets multiple muscles, including the chest, triceps, and back. To perform this exercise, start by lying down on a bench with a single dumbbell in both hands. Extend your arms straight up above your chest, holding the dumbbell with both hands. Keeping your arms straight, slowly lower the weight behind your head, feeling a stretch in your chest and lats. From there, bring the weight back up above your chest, squeezing your chest muscles at the top of the movement. Repeat for 3 sets of 8, 12 reps. And there you have it, folks. 5 amazing chest exercises for a stronger upper body and massive gains. Make sure to incorporate these exercises into your workout routine for maximum results. What are the top 5 chest exercises for achieving a stronger upper body and massive gains? And how can you incorporate them into your workout routine? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fitness content.